In your notebook, write down 6.3 at the top of the page and then title it Finding Percent Three Different Ways. Copy this down. Find 30% of 84. We are going to do it three different ways. The first way, we're going to use benchmark percents that we've been using in class. Benchmark percents are 10%, 5%, and 1%. This is what you've been working on. So if we're going to find 30% of 84, first find 10% of 84, and that equals, move the decimal one time to the left, that equals 8.4. I need 3 of those, so I multiply that times 3, and I get 25.2, 25 and 2/10. All right, that's the first way. That's using the benchmark percents, 10%, 5%, and 1%. Remember, you can pause the video. If I get going too fast, just pause the video. You can make Mr. O'Leary be quiet. Second way, we're going to use decimals. Okay, 30% of 84. Change your percent to a decimal, 1, 2, so it's 0.30, you can drop the 0, 0.3, of means times 84. So over here, 84 times 0.3, 12, 24, 20, 252. Now don't forget, move your decimal one time, you get the same answer, 25 and 2/10. One more way. You can use fractions to find percents. Every time. 30% of 84. 30% is 30 over 100, which reduces to 3/10. You know how to multiply your fractions. 3/10 times 84 over 1. You will get 252 over 10. 252 divided by 10 is 25 and 2/10. So those are the 3 ways you can get a percent. One more example. Find 25% of 60. In your notebook, write that down, 25% of 60. Okay. For 25%, we're going to use 2 10s and 1 5. 10% of 60 is 6. 10% equals 6, so I got 2 of those. 5% is half of 10%. Half of 6 is 3. 6 plus 6 plus 3 equals 15. 25% of 60 is 15. That's using 10, 1, and 5. You can use decimals. The decimal for 25%. 25% of 60, of means times. The decimal for 25%, 0.25, 25 hundredths, times 60. Do your work over here. 60 times 25 hundredths, 0, 300, start your second row with a 0, 0, 12, 0, 0, 5, 1,500. We know that's not right. 1, 2, 1, 2. We get 15. The last one, 25% of 60. 25% is 25 out of 100. Reduce this. Reduce it all the way down to 1/4. So it becomes 1/4 times 60 over 1. Multiply your numerators, 60. Multiply your denominators, 4. 60 divided by 4, simplified, is 15. 3 different ways to find percent. We're using 10%, 1%, and 5%. Our textbook calls those benchmark percents. You can change your percent to a decimal. Decimals. You can change your percent to fractions.